Hello friends, I am Vijayan Velibri. All are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video and also the few videos which are to be posted in YouTube, we are going to see how train operation is undertaken in Indian Railways. The working of trains is a combined effort of, or rather a coordinated work of several departments like engineering, mechanical, electrical, signal and telecommunication, and also the operating. To ensure smooth, safe and punctual running of the trains, there are a set of rules framed by the railways which are to be followed by the employees in their operating duties. These videos are actually intended for the railway staff who are appearing for LDCE. Definitely, the information given through this video will be very helpful to enhance the knowledge of the general public as well as the other railway employees. In the all India basis, we are having the general rules. This general rules or GRS is administered by the Government of India through Railway Board. As you know, the Indian Railways is having several zones, that is Southern Railway, Southern Railway, Central Railway, like that around 18 such railways. And each such railway will be having its own subsidiary routes. These subsidiary rules are derived from the general rules, and so these will not be contradictory, but subsidiary rules will be a little more restrictive. These subsidiary rules should be read in conjunction with the general rules. Now these subsidiary rules are prescribed by or issued by authorized officer, and authorized officer for Southern Railway is PCOM, that is Principal Chief Operations Manager. This authorized officer is also responsible for issuing special instructions, and there may be some special instructions which will not be coming within the ambit of or within the framework of general rules and subsidiary rules. In such cases, these special instructions should be got approved by the Commissioner of Railway Safety. And so these approved special instructions are issued by Commissioner of Railway Safety. Commissioner of Railway Safety is not a railwayman. He belongs to the Civil Aviation Department. In the All India level, we are having Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety headquartered at Lucknow. And Lucknow is also headquarters for our research wing, that is RDSO, Research, Design and Standards Organization. Under CCRS, Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety, we are having region-wise Commissioner of Railway Safety. For southern area, we are having Commissioner of Railway Safety headquartered at Bangalore. Now, each railway, for example Southern Railway, you take Southern Railway, it is having several divisions under it, and each division will be headed by Divisional Railway Manager, DRM. Under the DRM, all departments will be having its own head. For example, Operating Department is having its head as Divisional Operations Manager. Signal Department is having Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer. All other departments will also have its own head. Each railway is having its own subsidiary rules. In the same way, each station will be having its own station working rules. These station working rules are issued by Divisional Railway Manager's Office and signed by Divisional Operations Manager and Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer, or DOM and DSTE. So we are having general rules, then subsidiary rules, then station working rules. In addition to all these rules, the operating department is governed by some other rules also, from accident manual, block working manual, working timetable, etc. Also, several standing orders will be issued by different officers. The employees must be, particularly the employees concerned with the operating department, they must be thorough with all these rules to have a safe and punctual running of trains. These rules and orders will be getting amended then and there because of the modernization and also because of the influence of inquiry committees going into the several accidents in Indian Railways. Employees must be updated with all these rules. Here what I am going to give here may not be updated rules. From the next video onwards, we will see how a train is started from the station, what are the requirements to be observed before starting the train, and while the train is on the move, what are the rules to be observed, and when there are certain eventualities from the starting station to destination station, the train is going through several stations, several gates, etc. There may be unforeseen eventualities, and such cases, how these rules play in such circumstances. All these things we are going to see in our videos. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe it and also click the bell icon near that subscription button so that you will be getting notification about the new videos whenever it is posted in YouTube in your mobile phone. Also, please share the video with your friends. We can see in our next video. We will start a train and see how the rules are impacting the journey.